Hi guys, assalamualaikum. Please take my Islam one and all. Welcome to MS Technical Training. Today I'm gonna teach you a very important motivational speech. Please try to listen to me carefully in your future life. So I don't want to waste your time. That's why let's get started. Hi guys, assalamualaikum. Ashaguru honor salamu job dia. I honor by MS Technical Training. So as you can bishi the best bishi important bishi zoruli kan motivational speech hoyum yan শুধু মাত্র একটা motivational speech নয় yan kan aro advice মতো মেহরবানি করি বালা করি আই কি হয় দিন মেহরবানি করি বালা করি ফোনি বাবুরে আশা করি so let's get started number motivational speech এর মানে কি yan kan motivational speech এর মানে হলদে বল দে হিনলা হতা motivate motivational ain't ashidi beya motivational speech mane bolde dinla hota speech mane hota motivational mane nti bolde de hindilla hota bunno na toy I start good it motivational speech mane bolde dinla hota yeah start good every mistake is an opportunity to learn something new. Every mistake is an opportunity to learn something new. Every mistake is an opportunity to learn something new. Man for tiekkan every mistake man for tiekkan every mistake is an opportunity man for tiekkan ekkan moka to learn something new man de kesu notun shikibolla yan oh boss that's it every mistake is an opportunity to learn something new ontole foti ekkan moka onno kesu notun shikibolla to e তুমি ভুল করে যদি দেখলে নরায় ভুল হদিন সাধারণ ফতি জনা গতি ভুল করে তুই ভুল গজ্জ তুই নরায় চেষ্টা করো আর হইবলা জিল্লা নাকি স্পিক ইংলিশ হতা হইবলা চেষ্টা করো যদি সব ভুল হয় দেখলে নরায় ন শর্মায় তো বর্মিস হইবলা চেষ্টা করো জিন্দিল্লা তোমার তিয়া ইহিনলা হইবলা চেষ্টা করো ন শর্মায় ভুল হদিন ফতি জনতিও ফতিও গুমানচতিও ভুল হদিন if you shy if you worry that is the reason of that you never speak English you never speak Burmese it is whatever if you not to listen what other people say about you just try to avoid them in your future from the beginning everyone do mistake are very common in your future life actually you know better than me so actually you know about it better than me so my dear brothers and sisters please try to take my words seriously okay mistakes are very common if you mistake no need to worry because every mistake is an opportunity to learn something new that's why please try to study hard whatever you want in your future life no need to shy no need to worry if you make mistake are very common in today's era so just try to hard everyone's have a hobby everyone's have a goal just try to figure out whatever you want to be in your future life no need to waste your time just try to study hard just try to figure out what you wanna do in your future life okay I have got it very well what I'm trying to say about it so no need to waste your time sitting at the shop going to the market doing horrible thing in your future life just try to study hard frequently day by day once in a while step by step whatever you want in your future life no need to waste your time in today's era I'm not saying I'm a native speaker I try my best in today's era like me please try to do your best. And also I'm gonna tell you one thing please try to perform prayer of 5-time prayer in a day because whenever you pray that time of course may Allah help you may Allah bless you that because I'm gonna say please try to perform prayer of 5-time prayer in a day and then may Allah of course help you may Allah of course bless you so guys no need to waste your time just try to figure out what you wanna be what can you do if I find any kind of opportunity there is a lot of brothers and sisters who is that find any kind of opportunity if I find like them of course I want to show the world who I am and what can a Rohingya do in the world in today's era no one give us any opportunity that because of we are only Rohingya if you ever think about it what is the reason of that actually I don't know about it that because of I want to say that just try to show the world who we are what can Rohingya do in the world my brothers and sisters exactly I want to tell you one you know who is that here in the camp So guys, have a good day from me to you. Just try to share my videos. Just try to share. If you like this video, just try to follow and also share. If you everywhere, wherever you want in your future life, just try to share everywhere. So guys, have a good day from me to you. Break a leg. Totals. Okay.